In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MetaTrader 4 for all those that are beginning in trading and you want to know how does MetaTrader 4 function. You have already heard about it. What is MetaTrader 4? How can I use it? How can I start trading on that platform? It's one of the most platform used in trading, in the trading market, in the trading industry. And if you are just diving in the forex market or any other market and you want to know how to use it, this is the right time. So this video is going to show you step by step how you can start using your MetaTrader 4 to create. So let's dive in. To use MetaTrader 4, first thing you have to go on your Play Store or on your App Store. You have to search for MetaTrader. We have two. We have MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. You select the MetaTrader 4. You have to know that the main difference between the two is that the MetaTrader 5 came out before MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5 is used to trade almost everything. But MetaTrader 4 is used to trade mainly forex, mainly only forex. In MetaTrader 5, you can trade crypto, you can trade commodities, and any other things. So when you have installed your MetaTrader 4, just open. First thing, you go here, you have to open an account. You come and manage your account. Here, you have to open an account with a broker. If you don't know, a broker is an institution that in which you place your money. Now, the broker is the one that will permit you to place to enter in the market. Now, this application just permit you to place trades and manage your trade on the broker. You are not putting money on MetaTrader. No, MetaTrader is going to be linked. So you have to create an account with the broker. I've put you two recommended broker that you can use in this description. That are very good spreads. If you are a beginner, if you are somebody that has already experienced, you can go with those broker and place your money in to begin trading. When you open an account, those broker will give you two things: the login and the password that you have to come and place here. So to open an account with the broker is simple. You just go and do it. Now when you come back here, you type here on this plus sign. If you say log into an existing account, you search for the broker. Let me see, my broker maybe is VT Market. It's an example here. It's an example. The two broker I put it down. I'm not using it for this purpose. So I would select a server. They will give you the server name. You see, you come back here. What you do is that you have to put your login and your password. The broker will give you it. When you do now you'll be logging, and this one you see your capital here. You see the name of the broker. This is a free trial account to show you how to use it. So we are on Sunday today. The market is closed. Let us come to this first page. Here you are going to see all the tradable pairs and the spread. A pair, you already know what is a pair. A pair, USD CAD, USD, Euro USD, all those things you can trade. So now you choose here a pair that you want to trade. So if you are not seeing a pair that you want to trade here, type on this plus sign, search for the pair Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD, or you can see that the pairs are already classified according to what you bought. You can also come here if you want to modify, delete a pair from the chart. You can add it back if you delete. So when you are here, let us select one Euro DPY. Type on, let me know that you type on open chart. You bring it to the second page. Now the second page where you are going to make your analysis and do everything. Okay, first option up here. This option permits you to add an horizontal vertical line to analyze precisely the chart. So the places may be like here. If you want to touch to know exactly the price, let me show you. If maybe I want to know exactly the price at the top of this candle, I want to know the current price, the price where they put the candle close, or all those stuff. I'll place it here to have the exact price. And if I want to know the current date, you see here about the date and the time, but if there is no, I will not know exactly what it was. Second thing, the F here permits you to add indicators. If you don't know what an indicator, you will learn it with time. But indicators permit you to easily analyze the trade. You can just type on any indicator, add the different values that you need, and add it on the trade. I've added the moving average. You see, I've added here a red line to analyze my trade. So on your chart, you can see that this is a small trick that you can learn now. On your chart, you are going to see that this one thing. You are going to when you be trading, you are going to see that your chart here will be green and red. For me, I've modified it because of a psychological level, a psychological arc. Say like that, because I'm using it mainly because when you are trading with the green and the red, your emotions are put in the market, because when you see a red candle, when you're buying and you see a red candle, it can make you goes out of the market. But when everything is black, you see you don't know what is red, you don't know what is green. So I just go in like that and make you they are much more confident. So third thing, you will come here, objects, common objects. You add either horizontal line or a crane line. You see, and it's going to add all those stuff for you to analyze your trade. For you to analyze your trade. There are many other things. You can add lines like this. Okay. Or you can add support and resistance line. If you want to add something, you come and add this. There are many other options that we learn with time. Now, this one permits you to change the tradable pairs. These are all the pairs that you have seen here. After here is where you place another. Now, how to place another using MetaTrader 4? Many people have already searched about it. See, when you want to place another, you have already installed the application, you have already logged in. You come here, down here, you come here, or even you can come here. Where you see this plus sign, just type on it. Now, first thing to place another, there are many options. Type on this here. You have market execution. Market execution is what it means. It means that you want to enter the market. You want to place another by entering the market with the, how can I say it, with the market price. So if maybe the price of the market is 1, let us say 1 euro USD on 1, it means that you enter with that one. Let's see here. You are seeing here that you are 99.110. If you want to enter a market, you enter with that price. If I'm selling, if I'm buying, you enter with the price down here, 99.044. okay. Now, second option, buy limit and sell limit. Buy limit and sell limit means that I will enter the market when that price will be triggered. Let me say that I type on buy limit. Do you see there will be another option here that will ask me the price which will I will enter. Let me type maybe a price like this, 99 point. Let me type what I'm seeing down there, 99.075. You are seeing what it's doing. You have put a marker here saying that I'm saying that what maybe if I'm saying buy, when this buy price will come here, you enter. If I'm saying sell, when this sale price will touch, I will enter. So let me go. It's the same thing. Buy or sell limit. Sell means that when we touch it, I will sell. Buy means that when I buy, I will buy. Market execution. You understand what you start practicing. It's very, very simple. Hey, don't forget, you have our Telegram link down of this video. We are going to share with the signal, accurate signal. Okay, let's continue. Down on this video, we are going to this is what they call the lot size. The lot size is what? The lot size is the price which you are going to enter in the market. Lot size is not exactly the price. What I'm saying price is maybe I want to enter the market with 100,000. Not the price at, but I want to enter the amount. Yes, let me say the amount of money with which I want to enter the market. Sorry for my poor English. The amount of money with which you are going to enter the market. So maybe let me say, so place an order with a lot size of 1. I need 100,000 without leverage. If you are using leverage, you depend on the leverage. So that is it, 100,000. And if maybe your leverage is just your broker borrowing money, one of the broker that I'm going to give you the links is Exness. I'm going to put down it. We are going to have exclusive bonus with it. Exness is the broker that gives the highest leverage in the market that I know, because with them, you are going to have such leverage at 1 to 2,000 or 1 to unlimited. Those don't know leverage. Leverage is just what permit you. It's just the broker that is borrowing money to enter a trade. Maybe you just have $1,000 in your account. He can help you enter with 100,000 by lending you 99,000, and it's free. It's totally free. Just sign up with those brokers down this video. So when you reach here, another thing, there is what is called stop loss. A stop loss is what? A stop loss is a price at which you are saying to the platform that if a trade goes against me and touch that price, I'll get out. Let me take an example. Maybe I'm entering a trade to win $1,000. But I've observed one thing. Observed one thing. In this trade, if the trade goes against me, so if a trade goes against me, I'm just willing to lose maybe $200. So I'll put the stop loss at $200 max, so that if the trade goes in the opposite direction, that's what I will lose. You understand? So now there's this other thing, this green part, the take profit. Take profit is what? Marvelous. Take profit is the place where when I put my, it's a price where when the market price will touch it, my trade is going to be close. But the take profit is different for the stop loss in that take profit, when my price touches my take profit, it goes out of the market with a win. So maybe if I'm winning in the trade, actually at $400, I will tell the market that when I reach $1,000, I want to get out. But it can be the opposite. Can goes back to to take control your stop loss. So that is all. Now you can place a buy. You just type or a sell. At time you see long and you see short. Long means buy, short means sell. Just type on it. And since you're on Sunday, if I type on it, you see. Why? Because you don't create forex on Saturday and Sunday. So the market, you see market close normally. But it is normally if you place a trade. Okay. Next thing, you come on this third part. Now this is what you are going. I'll teach you two things here. The balance and the equity. The balance is the amount of money that is in your account. The equity is different. The equity now is the amount of money. You see that it's actually the same thing because I'm not trading. But when you be trading, the equity is the amount of money that you are going to have if you stop your trade at a certain moment. Let me explain. Maybe if I'm trading and I'm in a loss maybe of $1,000 and I have 5,000 in my account, my equity will be at 4,000. If I'm in a win of 7,000, $5,000, my equity will be at 10,000, 12,000. Understand? So and when I will close the trade, the equity will become the balance. So if I get out at 12,000, now my balance will be 12,000. But that money is not yet in the account. See, you have not come out of the trade. So here now is your history. Since I'm not trading in this account, it's a demo account. Here are just going, it's going to be empty, but all the trades are going to be here. And even here, where the current trades are going to be here, and the profit is going to be up here. If it's blue, it means that you're in profit. If it's red, it means that you're in loss. So now news, I never come here. Miss, I never come here. Now it depends. If you're on iOS, something are going to be different. So this is how you can use metatrader for to start trading. I'm charging it for the young Christian trader, and in this video I'm going to show you many things. If you want to learn trading, subscribe. I'm going to share you freely. I'm going to share my journey, what I'm making, what I'm losing. You're going to see. So in this video, down with this video, I've placed you the link of our Telegram channel. You can follow us there. Or even again, you have two links of different brokers for which you can just sign up today and get exclusive bonus. Those are referral links, but on those referral links, you are going to have bonus from those brokers, sign up bonus, first deposit bonus. They are just going to gain. It's a win-win. So see us after this video. May the Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Ciao.